Hello everyone, welcome and thanks for watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video tutorial I will show you how to fix this accessory may not be spotted error when trying to connect the charger or headphone to your iPhone or iPad. Before start, please don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for latest video notifications. Let's start. Solution number 1. Restart your iPhone. To restart iPhone, launch Settings, then General, tap Shutdown. Now drag the slider to power off, slide to turn off your iPhone or iPad. Then wait for a few seconds and turn on your device. Solution number 2. Turn on USB accessories. To do this, first launch Settings, scroll down and tap Touch ID and Passcode or Face ID and Passcode. Enter your passcode, scroll down and enable USB accessories. Solution number 3. Clean the headphone and charging ports. If your headphone or charging ports are covered by dust, this error might be occurred when you are connecting the cable. Clean them using a new toothbrush and also clean the tip of your charger. Solution number 4. Update your iPhone. To update iPhone, first launch Settings, then connect to Wi-Fi, go back and tap General. Now tap Software Update and update your iPhone if available. Solution number 5. Tap OK or Dismiss. When you get this error message, tap OK or Dismiss. Next, disconnect the cable from your device, then reconnect it. If again you get this error, do this for 3 or 4 times. Solution number 6. Force restart your iPhone or iPad. To force restart iPhone, press home button and the power button at the same time until we see the Apple logo, and also depend on your iPhone or iPad model. Solution number 7. Reset all settings. This process reset your customized setting to default setting like notifications, alarm, brightness and alerts, but no data or media will be deleted. To reset all settings, first launch Settings, then go to General. Next, scroll down and tap Reset. Now tap Reset all settings. You have to enter your passcode and tap again Reset all setting to confirm your action. That's it. Friends, if you found this video helpful, then please like and share as well. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.